Today I am at the park and I am walking. So, when I started out 230 pounds, y'all, walking was the easiest thing for me to do at that time because I had joint pain, I had poor range of motion, I couldn't squat. So I started walking every day and I got lighter and things became easier for me just by walking. So if you are someone overweight and you want to start getting active, then start walking. You don't have to go to the gym for this. You can just come to the park. You can bring your grandkids with you. You can bring your children and have them walk with you. It only takes 30 minutes a day. And if you have a job, like a desk job, or you're not very active at work, then you have to get those steps in. Even if you have 2 minutes of spare time at work, just walk, get those steps in. Try to meet your goal. Set you a goal for 5,000 steps, 10,000, 15,000. I started out 5,000 steps, and then I went up to 10,000, then 15,000. And so it gets easier over time. You just have to keep going. But walking was the easiest thing for me to lose fat when I was overweight. And it brought me a lot of peace just coming to the park and walking. So just get your steps in, y'all. And you can do it. Just one day at a time.